Can you guys tell I was really excited to unbox this because I matched my lipstick to it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica of the blog Miss More Style, and here on YouTube I make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. So if you love to live your most chic and fabulous life but on a budget, then definitely want to go down in the description box and click that subscribe button. And you might as well ding the notification bell while you're there. That way you get a little message every time I upload a new video. Today is really exciting. I am doing a Teddy Blake handbag unboxing. If you're not familiar with Teddy Blake, this is my third unboxing video with them, and I love Teddy Blake. They just have such an amazing selection of very chic and very classic handbag styles in all sizes, in all colors. I mean, I feel like anybody can find a bag there to love. The greatest thing about Teddy Blake, in case you're not familiar, is they create affordable luxury handbags. So when I say affordable luxury, because I've gotten some people to comment on this in the past, I'm talking like in the $200 to, I think some of them are as high as $800 range. Now, compared to luxury fashion houses and the handbags that they have on offer, this is an amazingly affordable price, especially considering what you get when you buy a Teddy Blake handbag. Teddy Blake handbags are handcrafted in Italy by artisans. Their leather is selected from some of the same Pelletieres? I think it's Pelletieres. As some designer houses, they just are of a very high quality for the price. Many times the reason why those big designer name brands are so expensive is because not only are they using premium quality materials like Teddy Blake does, but they're also spending a lot of money on the marketing and branding aspects of their company, right? They spend a lot of money on print ads, on fashion shows, on retail storefronts. I mean, there's so much that goes into creating the name brand of these big luxury brands. And Teddy Blake just does not do that. They do marketing through different means, so that way you, the customer, are paying a much more reasonable price for your bag. And they are always in just such chic and classic styles that are going to stand the test of time and you're going to carry for many, many years to come. You're not going to see like super trendy bags at Teddy Blake. And that's what I really love, because to me, getting a great handbag is an investment. I want to be able to wear it and love it for many, many years. If you are interested in shopping Teddy Blake or the handbag that I'm about to show you, you can go down in the description box. Make sure that you use my code TBJessicaM30 for $30 off your purchase, which is eligible whenever there isn't a sale going on. If they're doing a sale, then you're already getting a pretty good deal. So make sure to use that code if you are interested in trying out Teddy Blake. Let's unbox my new bag. It's a big box. Ooh. Whenever you order from Teddy Blake, it's going to come in one of these very lovely, very beautiful boxes. I reuse these a lot to hold and store things, to be honest, because they're really great. Open it up, and there it is. Teddy Blake, New York. Designer handbags made in Italy with luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Let's open her up. So Teddy Blake always comes in their signature dust bag, so you can use this when you're not using your bag to keep it looking preserved and beautiful forever and ever. Voila! Oh my God, isn't she beautiful? There she is. Oh my God. I'm so obsessed. And I'm just so excited. Can you guys tell? I was really excited to unbox this because I matched my lipstick to it. Yeah. Oh my God. It's so pink. I was really, really wanting a very hot, bright pink bag for so long, and this one is fulfilling all of my hopes and dreams. Here is the bag. This is the Ava Gold 11-inch in fuchsia in stampado leather. So you can see it is sort of like a grained calf leather. It has a little bit of a texture to it, and I really like this kind of leather because I feel like because it has that texture, it ages pretty well. It can take a little bit of abuse because it's not going to show every little scratch and everything. So it's better like for bags that you're going to use a lot to sort of get this sort of textured leather. That just helps preserve them for longer. See, it has a single round handle with a flap closure. So they've got these little straps right here that just basically slide right into this little gold hook. And now we can open the bag. Comes with a 17 to 23 inch detachable crossbody strap. Here is the strap. You can see it is adjustable right there. Also has just really nice gold toned hardware all throughout the strap. It also has a little lock and key situation that we can add onto it. So I guess I'll do that right now, right? There we have the little lock and key. Of course, inside of here, you have the gold keys for the lock. And then open it up. Got just a really beautiful pink soft suede lining in there. It is absolutely beautiful, gorgeous suede. It's always hard to show the insides of bags, but you've got an open pocket right here, as well as a zippered interior pocket, so you have multiple little places to store things. And then the back also has a little zippered compartment as well. I also really like the fact that it has the little magnetic button right there. So it's a lot easier to like just open and close the bag. Also got really nice little gold feet on the bottom so that it can sit on a table or on a surface without getting the bottom of the bag dirty. You've also got these really cool little gold details right here that say Teddy Blake on the handle. So it's just so many nice, really beautiful details. Of course, you can see Teddy Blake there on the front and on the back. I know some people in the past have said like, oh, I wish it didn't say Teddy Blake or whatever, which I totally get like the logic for that, but I feel like this is pretty minimal. It's not like super in your face, and I feel like the way that they do it is nice and tasteful. I have to say, I really love the Ava. It's very, very similar to the Kim style, which I have one of those. Give me one sec. Oh, you can see this is the Kim Stampato, and I believe this is like the 13-inch, I want to say, so it's slightly bigger. But this one has a different kind of closure right there than this one, but also the Kim does not have a back pocket, which I think, in my personal opinion, makes the Ava a little bit better, just because this bag, like I feel like you kind of like want to wear it shut because it looks better that way, even though you can definitely easily carry it open like this, and like, you know, the flap is obviously open, but like it's not like gaping, things aren't going to come falling out of your bag. The fact that it has this little back zipper so that I can put my cell phone back here so that I can easily grab my cell phone and stow my cell phone when I need to, and then everything else like my keys, my wallet, my sunglasses, or whatever I'm carrying with me, I can put in the main compartment of the bag and seal it up for the most part without having to go in there all the time, because I don't always like need to access everything in my purse when I'm walking around. My phone is usually the thing that I like am always reaching for. So I really like that it has this back pocket so that you can make the thing that you really want to be easily accessible right there and easy to get to. And voila, I think this strap, the long crossbody strap, really works well on this style, the way that it hooks onto these little gold hooks as well. So just out of curiosity, I wanted to see what I could fit into the Ava 11-inch bag. So let's see. So I've got my big Michael Kors wallet. I don't often take this with me in my day, but I know a lot of people have wallets this size. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there first. Nice. Then we've got my car keys. I know I look like a janitor, but it is what it is. This is actually the wallet that I usually use, so there is a reason for the madness. That fits. Got a little powder compact, couple lipsticks. Throw my AirPods case in there for good measure, and an empty iPhone 13 Pro Max case. The phone's not in it, but if the case fits in there, then the phone in the case will fit in there, right? Like, it's all in there, and there is still room to spare. So this is a perfect size handbag in my opinion. It's not too big, it's not too small. You can fit, honestly, I mean, if I can fit all of my daily essentials in there, I know some people carry a bunch of stuff with them every day, and some people carry very little. I sort of tend to skew towards the very little because I don't like to be like lugging a bunch of stuff around with me, so I've sort of gotten my handbags to be very minimal inside of them. But all of the things that I could really possibly think to carry with me on like a regular daily basis fit here and then some. So I absolutely just love this bag. I mean, let me just close it up just to make sure, but it's not going to be any issue whatsoever. I mean, so freaking cute. It fits perfectly. It's a fun outfit that I styled with it. Of course, with this top, I just got it from Amazon. It's super fabulous and fun. I know this lime green is not for everyone, but I'm living for bright green right now, and I feel like I said, pink with green is just so much fun. She is ready, y'all. This is a look, and I am just living for it. I'm so happy to finally have a really bright, vibrant pink handbag to add to my closet. Now, they make the Ava in so many different colors, so if you're not into pink, you could get like literally any other color. They also have it in so many neutrals. They have this in like a croc embossed sort of leather as well as so many other really great handbag styles. In addition to this one and the Kim, I also have the Kate Vitello in this beautiful blue. This is like one of my favorite handbags. I absolutely love this so much. So there's so many great Hetty Blake handbag styles, and as you can see from my small collection, they're just very classic. That concludes my little unboxing video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Have you ever bought a Hetty Blake handbag? I would be really curious to know if you have and what your experience was. Make sure to leave a comment down below and say hi. If you're not already subscribed, hit that red button right down there. Check out a couple more videos if you want before you head out, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!